Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to change Uber Eats bicycle to car. Alright, let's begin. First of all, if you want to change the vehicle, there's two possibilities. The first way is going into your account and contacting support. To actually change from a bicycle to a car on a single account can only be done by a support team member. So what you want to do is go into the help tab, and if you have an account, you'll be able to access their customer support. The second method is actually going into your account and tapping on your name or your profile picture at the top right hand side. Then signing out and then creating a new account. After that, you can assign a car or a vehicle instead of a bicycle. Now, these are some of the things you need to keep in mind. You cannot have a cell phone number associated with more than one Uber Eats account, so you need to have a separate cell phone number and also an email address as well. So that's basically how you can change Uber Eats bicycle to car. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.